Okay, today we have two more Zippos to add to the collection. The bicycle Zippo gift set that comes with the cards and the lighter, which I think is very nice looking. I love to play cards, and so this was a no-brainer for me to get. It's 24680 Zippo cards. It's a really nice set. I actually think I'm gonna leave it in the box. Maybe I'll pick another one up if I can find one. Found that one on eBay, and I got this here. Is the 29082 card suits, and this one's pretty cool too. As you can see here, got it on all sides here. And this is a eye of 16, which I believe is September. Pretty nice. Like I said, I'm huge into gambling, hence I got the bicycle one and my other ace filigree in the other video. But it's very nice. This is also, I believe, on the black ice with a little tint of gray on it. Pretty nice lighters to add to the collection. I have a couple more that I got, so I will show you those in this next video. Thanks. Bye.